Here we are. Another video. Yes. Yes, I am. Man, you might be watching this right now, and you're like, yes, she is recording. Man, I remember what happened. Making history right now. So, this glitch is crazy. Her user is Happy Dolphin Girl 7, and this is the second version of the Art Studio Freedom Party glitch. I did it before, and I was in the art studio with fireworks and a copy of myself. Copies every single animal you do, breeds at the same time as you, and it's really weird. Yeah. So, let me just explain it to you. So for her point of view, Lucky, no, not A, Lucky. Why can I not type every single day? Lucky is an art room. I'm at the Freedom Party for me, but for Lucky right here, this is Lucky, and yeah, what happened is that when I went there, the clone's right over there somewhere. I don't know where it is, but it's going all crazy and stuff. Her clone just like runs around the whole place like that. Super crazy. So we might see it. I don't know. So what happened is that, like I said before again, my goodness, there's a bunny. Yep, there is. So what I did is I did the second. What's wrong with that one? Ooh, glitchy firework. Definitely a glitchy firework. Woo, look at all those. She is at the art studio, okay? I am at the Freedom Party. I found the second version of it. The first version isn't so glitchy. The second version is glitchy. It's all crazy and stuff. Oh man, that's funny. No matter. Well, in 2 more hours and 30 minutes, I'm gonna have a sleepover with Amber, so I might make a video with that. Look, to her, I'm in the sky. Yeah, she's in the sky, look. She went off the fence and everything. See, she's over by this fireworks. She's in the sky. I can't even walk past this fence or down here, but she walked all the way down there, and it's all crazy and stuff. And I'm like, what the heck? That's like awesome. It's so epic. I don't even. Yeah, there isn't even a freedom party going on. It's totally insane. Never got you fired. Yeah, the freedom party going on. Man. I stayed at a horse party for what? No. It's over already and it's still going. I'm still at the party. Why do I keep saying poke? Yes, you might. Ah, again with the messed up sentence. Fail? Okay. Yes, you are supposed to be in my video. Lagging from the video. Stupid. Wait, what? She's not sitting on my screen. Dun, dun, dun. Crazy. Crazy stuff. I know exactly why she made that face. Because she isn't sitting on my screen. Where should we go? Glitch, 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 you must glitch. Darn it, I went to the horse's only party. Okay. I guess that isn't a glitching room. Since when were there a whole bunch of people on this? Why am I a horse? Yeah, 'cause the party. Party all day, party all night. Switch animal. Did you see the penguin? Oh my gosh. Look again. Oh my gosh. There it is. Look at that penguin. Look at that penguin. No. Yet. Oh, there it is. There. Yeah, I'm not doing my real laugh, but it is funny. To here. Wait, no. Party. Click on it. Darn it! Okay, so if I find another glitch, I'm gonna make another video.